All right, so check out this. This is a Makita drill, and it comes in this really nice box, which you want to make sure you keep your drill nice and safe from the elements. The drill itself is brilliant. First of all, you get a battery down here. You can charge it on its rechargeable pad. You get another battery, that way you have multiple. In case one dies, you can be charging while you're using this. It has multiple speeds on here, and you can set this depending on how hard you want it to drill or screw in. Easy to work, easy to remove your bits. It comes with this drill bit as well, which is Phillips head and flat head right there. You pop it in there, just like that. And yeah, it has this light on it, which is really nice because if you're screwing into something, it just shows you what you're working on. You got, forward and reverse, but it's really powerful. It's just really good, and I love this case. It just makes it so nice to keep all your drill bits in here and everything in there. And it's also kind of a lightweight but strong, so you can just take it wherever you need to go, no problem. I'm ready to drill and screw stuff in because that's what I'm doing with my Makita drill. Beautiful. I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.